In this month's J Wealth Book Club, we are talking about the book Deep Thought Strategy from Steve Lowell. And we mentioned it before about the importance of thinking deep before thinking big. Yeah, it's important to think big. You always have to have big dreams. You need to know that you're going to make it. But think deep first. What does deep thinking mean? And what is the deep thought strategy that if you master that can get you to places that you never dreamt before? The book is talking about the idea of finding a problem in a prospect's life, in a client's life, that they didn't even know before they have that problem. You are the one who discovers the problem, and once you discover the problem with them, you show them the solution, and usually the solution is something that only you know how to find the solution, and you become the choice of one. I give an example that he brings in the book that I think is a very interesting example, and that is about a vacuum cleaner salesman. And he was in the 1980s, the author Steve was selling vacuum cleaners called Filter Queen. And the interesting thing was that every presentation started with the same way, that they went down to do a demonstration about the vacuum cleaner. Usually the people that they gave the demonstration for were not interested at all in the demonstration. The only reason they agreed was because they were promised some free gifts in exchange of their time of seeing the presentation. So basically it started like this. The first thing, they put the prospect at ease. They just chatted a little bit to warm up the room, and they gave the free gift, and he reassured them that I understand that you're not buying anything today. And then after a few minutes they pulled out the machine of the box and talked about the machine, and they attached the hose to the machine along with a dust scope, small device of a filter that captured some of the dust in the room. They turned on the vacuum, and then a few minutes later they opened the dust scope and showed the pile of dust. And then they walked into the kitchen to negotiate the sale. And when the prospect saw the pile of dust in that vacuum cleaner in the bucket, they were blown away. They didn't even know that there's so much dust around the house where their children are playing. All they thought to themselves by that time was, what do I do? We have so much dust in the house. We need to somehow clean that up. So they did a few things. Number one, they showed them the problem that they never even knew existed, which is a lot of dust in the house. And then they showed them the solution, which is this vacuum cleaner is the solution to your problem, to having the dust taken away from the house. So the same thing, when it comes to your deep thought strategy, you have to think to yourself, what is it that you can find in your prospect's life, in your client's life, a problem that they didn't even know exists before? And once you find that, then you get to work on helping them, showing them what the solution for that problem is and why the only solution is what you have to offer. When you work like this, with this book, Deep Thought Strategy claims that you're going to become the option one, the one, no other alternative for the client.